Hey everybody, so I have another Guess What's in the Box video. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It is from Acme Tools. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So this is just going to be a quick Guess What's in the Box video. This is a massive box. In a sense of what should be in it. This is from Acme Tools. It is a pre-order. And it was supposed to be here somewhere in December. You know, the beginning, middle of December. It never showed up. I forgot about it. And it seems a little odd why they put it in such a large, massive box. So just keep in mind, when you guys guess that the item that's in this box is probably 70% smaller than this box. Alright, so the box is 11 7/8 of an inch wide by 11 3/4 long by 9.5 inches tall. What do you guys think's in the box? I just wanted to get it would not be fair for you guys or me to not give you at least the specifications of something. The item in this box is it's just flopping all over the place. It's way too, the box is way too big for this item. So that is a hint for you guys. It is from Acme Tools. I got a lot of stuff between October, November, and December of 2020. It is January 2021. It is actually almost the end of January. Actually, I think today is the last day of January. Oh no, it's the 28th, Thursday, 28th of January 2021. So there's 3 days left of January, but you know, it is very far at the end of January, so it showed up at least a month and a week or 2 weeks late. But I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future update. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And leave your comments down below what you think it is. And also, top of the description below, I also have an Ulsa Tools link that will get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com, as well as gives me back 10% off of my next order, Ulsa Tools. If you guys do use it, I do very much appreciate it. If you guys don't, it's all good. If you guys need something from Ulsa Tools, toolbox organization stuff, or plier organization, or, you know, some nice hand tools that, you know, may be useful to you guys, go ahead and pick them up and click on the link. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!